Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Marvel technology, and there is a very big breakout which has just happened. Okay, now as you can see here in this chart, so we have the data available since year 2000. So after a span of 20 years there is a major breakout which has happened in this particular stock. So we are going to discuss about that and also the trends which one could probably look or see over a period of couple of years. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let's analyze the previous trend and then we are going to talk about the upcoming trend as well, because already we have a big breakout which has happened in this particular script. So this will means a lot for this particular stock, because as you can see here the breakout has happened over or after a span of 20 years. Okay, so it has a very uh, important significance, as you can say. Okay, so here first of all what we need to do, we are going to look at this big resistance which was at $38. Now with this breakout the stock has indeed moved and sustained above $38. So it's a big breakout, and what we are going to see will be the next big levels. But before that, what we need to do is we need to analyze the previous trend to get to know about the upcoming trend. Okay, so here you have your first support, and your next support after 38 will come at 28, and then you have $21 on the downside. So these are important levels which one should know. That's why I'm talking about all these levels. And after 21 you have 16. Okay, you have $16 on the downside, and then you have, so I'll restrict myself to 11. So these are the important support level which one needs to look at. Now for the upside, because this is indeed a very big breakout, for the upside what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the length of the previous trend, which is 700% on the upside, and we can simply here apply the same amount of length which we are expecting that the stock could see over a period of time. Okay, so now with this big breakout, what one could expect will be a target of $290 over a period of couple of years. So at least 3 to 5 years you have to consider, or more than that. Okay, it should not less than 3 to 5 years. And understand that there will be consolidations, corrections, so it should not be a linear growth or it should not be a straight line. But this kind of breakouts are very important, because this will lead to a very long trend which has already started, and probably it will last much longer than one could expect from the current scenario. And there are two ways: either it can move like any other stock, which you can see that whatever has to happen in 5 years it will probably happen in a month. So those kind of trends are also available. So it depends upon the market situation and the interest in this particular script, that we will get to know over a period of couple of months. But though it's a big breakout and you have to look on the upside, but still remember that stick to your support and resistance and know your stop losses. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.